Check. Deflector shield. Check. Emergency fuel level. Check. Laser cannons. Check. I said check on. Shut them down before you blow up the whole place. Sometimes now I can't understand your logic at all. No, not at all.
Attention, please. All droids leaving the system must be cleared by customs control. Proof of ownership is required for all droid passengers.
Proof of ownership? We droids are made to suffer such indignities.
Oh boy, look at this. Someone packed a lot of hair dryers.
Unless you're not crazy about your party, and then feel free to take something.
Must belong to a Wookiee. Yeah, Wookiees have a lot of hair.
Keep it moving one step.
Remember, at Star Tours, safety is always number one.
Close together, not too close. Please, sir. Are you sure you were at least park looking? Okay. Check. Looking good. Looking good here. I would like to thank you all for your cooperation. But since your cooperation is mandatory, you know, that makes sense.
That's letter A. That's letter A. That's letter A. Come on, Lisa. That's letter A. Come on, you guys. Make a left.
1401, you are cleared for departure.
1401? That's us. We can't take off. The captain isn't on board.
Auto takeoff sequence initiated.
Excuse me, you don't seem to understand. I am not the captain. I am C-3PO.
1401, cleared for takeoff. Contact departure on frequency 429er.
Wait! R2-D2, I am not programmed to fly these things. Now just turn us around this instant before we get into trouble. I knew it!
Oh!
Don't shoot!
Prepare to be boarded, Captain.
I'm afraid there's been a terrible mistake. I am
You know you have
C-3PO.
this rebel spy on board.
I've never seen that creature before.
Don't underestimate my power. That spy!
Guns, R2! Someone could get hurt! Light speed, R2! Now what? Hot race! I always wanted to do this. Hang on, everyone! You ruffian! We'll show him! We've snagged a pod racer, which gives us twice the power! We won! Now cut the pod and let's get out of here! Watch out! What transmission?
I am Princess Leia of Alderaan. We've placed a rebel spy vital to the survival of the rebellion into your starspeeder. You must see them safely delivered to the coordinates I'm transmitting to your R2 unit. This is our most desperate hour. Help me, Star Tours. You're my only hope.
Her only hope. What do you mean we'll be making a slight detour? We'll do no such thing. Wait! This can't be right.
You can run, but you can't hide. Not from me.
That dreadful bounty hunter.
Concerned about you. Is our agent safe?
Safe, but perhaps a little shaken.
We're grateful you make it. You are all heroes of the rebellion.
I rather like the sound of that. Now be careful out there, all of you. The Empire is watching. Pardon me, but how do we get back to a Star Tours terminal?
Please remain seated until the captain has opened the exit doors. You may then unlatch your safety restraints by pressing the release button on your left. Make sure you have all your personal belongings as you exit. Thank you for flying Star Tours. Bye-bye.